Yeah, I got him yet this time. Well, good morning. Out here at El Cap, St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. See if this lake's waking up. I came out here last week and saw one fish caught off the dock here. So I'm going to come back out this week here, as you can see. And, okay, just got bit and felt good. So I cast right back out there again. Same spot. Well, as close as I could get. Kind of surprised me, there's a little grass there. There it is. Yeah, I got him yet this time. Yeah. Well, play him here a little bit. First fish of 2026. Don't get caught in there underneath there. There it is. Remember, buddy. Well, he bit it like you're supposed to. He's a nice little pounder. Well, thank you.